everybody on the Pro Forum. All right, Kirk behind the wheel of his car again, driving. All right, message for today is Photoshop Actions. Photoshop Actions. If you don't know how to use them, learn how to use them. Here's the big deal with Actions, with Photoshop Actions. You just need to think of a Photoshop action as like as like an old-timey VCR. The movie would come on, and you'd say, "Ooh, I want to watch that movie." And you'd hit record on your VCR, and you'd record the movie. Then later, you want to watch the movie, so you hit play, and you'd watch the movie. Well, that's kind of what an action is. Now, there's a few variables there, and that's where people run into trouble. But start by watching what you do inside Photoshop. And if you catch yourself doing the same thing over and over, let's say it's a levels adjustment. Well, hit record on the action when you're doing it, and then hit stop when you're done, and make yourself an action. And then assign an F key to it, which is really simple to do. And if you don't know how to do it, just post "How do I do that, Kirk?" in this thread, and I'll tell you. It's so simple. But whatever it is, I don't know. It's some sort of style that you put on some sort of layer mask. You know, whenever maybe making a text layer or something like that. And it's always this bevel embossed with a little bit of shadow. Well, shoot, man, make an action. That way you write the text, you hit play on the action, bam, it's done. So if there's something you catch yourself doing over and over and over again, no matter what it is, see if you can make an action out of it, and this will absolutely speed you up like unbelievable in Photoshop. All right, so that's the message for the day. Hope y'all enjoying these things. We'll talk tomorrow. Bye.